Legends of Learning presents the Liberty Docket game. This is a history game that makes learning about rights and liberty court cases fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, use the mouse to click to select different objects and responses to complete cases. Help your clients better understand the law to win cases. Choose the correct responses to help complete each case to learn more about the rights and liberties of your people. Progress through each legal case's facts in the case file and review the facts of each case when presenting evidence to the judge. Win each case to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.